Affirmations are powerful. They are more than just words. They have the ability to radically change your life if you apply them correctly and constantly. Therefore, it is important not to get jaded by an overused word before you have tried to proper methods. I have seen significant shifts in my life by using affirmations on a regular basis. Let me tell you from my own experience, they work. To maximize the effectiveness of each affirmation session, here are a few simple tips. Do your millennial affirmations right when you wake up, just before going to bed, or after a silent meditation period. This is when your brain is calm and your subconscious is most repetitive to suggestion. Repeat each millennial affirmations with deep concentrations, focusing on the meaning of the words as you repeat them over and over again. Don't be absent minded, as this will render the exercise far less effectiveness. Here are 35 powerful millennialized affirmations you can use to build your millennial mindset. I'm wealthy. I'm wealthy. I attract wealth to me from all directions. I attract all wealth to me from all directions. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich man. I'm rich man. I attract wealth to me from all directions. I am abundant. I am an abundant. I attract abundance to me from all directions. I am a part of the infinite universe when I am connected to everything I need right now. I give massive value to others. I create massive values for others. I am an unlimited being of creative ideas and thoughts. There is more than enough for everyone. Abundance is everywhere I look. I see wealth, abundance, and prosperity everywhere I go. I deserve being rich. Being rich is my battle. Being rich is a part of who am I. I deserve being wealthy. Being wealth is my battle. Being wealthy is a part of who I am. I deserve being abundant. Being abundant is my birthright. Being abundant is a part of who I am. I bless all these wealthy and abundant people. I bless their wealth and abundance and send them my life. I am a child of God, universe, higher self. Everything I see, I can have too. Every day in my every way, I am becoming richer and richer. Every day in every way, I am becoming wealthier and wealthier. Every day in every way, I am becoming more and more abundant. Money is good because I use it for good things. I use money for the highest good for all. Money is simply the measures of value that I give to others according to the needs of the marketplace. Money is a pure energy and it is created in my mind. Money is in my mind. My mind creates money for me day after day after day. I deserve money. I deserve to have a lot of money. I attract massive amounts of money to me. Being rich gives me power to help countless people in this world and make a massive differences in their lives. Being wealthy gives me the power to help countless people in the world to make a massive differences in their lives. Being abundant gives me the power to help countless people in this world and make a massive differences in their lives. I am an excellent money manager. I am the master of money. I am in control of my financial life. Every dollar that flows to me now becomes my employee that works hard to make me more and more money. The more I give, the richer I become. The more I give, the wealthier I become. The more I give, the more abundant I become. People bless my wealth and abundance. People benefit from my wealth and abundance. People are grateful for the fact my wealth and abundance. I'm grateful for the all wealth in my life right now. I'm grateful for the wealth that is inside out to me. I'm grateful for the all abundance in my life right now. I'm grateful for all the abundance that is inside to me. I embrace all positive associations to money, wealth, abundance, and prosperity. I release all negative associations, my money, wealth, abundance, and prosperity. I breathe in abundance. Every breath I take increase my awareness of abundance that surround me. I breathe in wealth. Every breath I take increase my awareness of wealth and that is surrounds me. I breathe in prosperity. Every breath I take increase my awareness of prosperity that surrounds me. I have millennium mindset. I think I like a millionaire. I act like a millionaire. I feel like a millionaire. I am a millionaire. I have a millennium mindset. I think like a millionaire. I act like a millionaire. I feel like a millionaire. I am a millionaire. I allow wealth to flow into my life. I allow abundance to flow into my life. I allow prosperity to flow into my life. I overcome all obstacles that lie in my life, way to financial success and independence. There are just few of abundance, hundreds of variations can generate for yourself. You can modify to add the millennial affirmations about I would pick 2 or 3 day. Thank you.